contact and takes it. Terrific shot, timed superbly, and it goes for 4.
Yes.
Off the bat and over the rope.
Yes.
Perfect technique and placement.
Yep.
Ah, nice shot.
Yep.
Great timing. Races to the boundary.
Yep.
Nice shot.
Yep.
That's racing to the fence.
Yep. Yes.
Nice fielding there. Good return.
Yes.
Well played. Hit that hard and fast.
Yep.
And that's 4.
Yes.
Timed that absolutely perfectly.
Yep.
Batsman gets their time.
The crowd have enjoyed this one. 100 runs on the board, and he's batted well.
Yes.
Oh, picks that one up nicely. Good shot.
Yes.
Oh, great shot.
Yes.
Batsman brings up the half century.
He gets to 50 runs, and he's batting well.
Yep.
And this is in the air. Takes an easy catch. That was served up on a platter.
Batsman starting the pitch. Order 107.
Yep. No, no, no!
very good fielding has created a chance out of nowhere. Great work.
The new batsman will be down at the non-striker's end.
Yes.
Great timing. Races to the boundary for 4. Plays that nicely along the ground.
Three more to the score.
Yep.
Oh no! Dropped!
Yep.
And that gets to the boundary. 4 runs.
Wide. Yep. Bowler.
They get back for 2.
Yep.
They get 3.
Yep.
That is textbook.
Yep.
Looking really comfortable out there. Textbook shot.
Yep.
Nice shot. 4 runs. India finish a good session for them. Wicketless, but the batting side really didn't make an impact.
Yep.
Three more to the score.
What a delivery! The batsman chops it onto his stumps.
Yes.
That was there to be hit, and it was pummeled.
Yeah, yeah.
And that gets to the boundary. 4 runs. And out. Straightforward catch by the wicketkeeper.
Batsman making the long way back to the beginning. Caught behind. 230. Jack Hamlin is coming.
have set their target on him and they've delivered.
Batsman firing the crease. 4 outs. 4 1.
Yep.
Played that along the ground.
Hit that hard and fast.
Yeah, yeah.
Nicely played.
Yeah, mate.
Four there, nice shot.
Beautifully bowled.
Batsman leading the field. Ball. 4 10.
Yep.
Won't need to run there. Racing away.
Yep. Catch!
4 runs there. Super shot.
Yep.
He's found the gap, and that's 4.
Yep. Oh, yeah!
Playing right in the field. 1 out.
Loud shouts of catch. Was there any bat on it?
This is an important wicket and out cheaply.
Dismiss batsman.
Yes. Catch it!
Oh, great shot.
Great shot there for the century.
Latham reaches 3 figures. This has been a steady performance. One review left for the innings.
That's hit the pad. Huge appeal.
Huge wicket. The batsman has been in impressive form lately, and this is massive for the fielding side.
Dismiss batsman. Out. RBW. 4 11.
The new batsman,
They're confident in this one.
Gone. What a catch and what a great delivery. That was the last wicket to fall, so this innings has come to an end.
Change of bowler. The captain is going with the medium pacer.
ends the over and the score hasn't moved. New Zealand don't manage to get a wicket, but they've only conceded 1 in the session.